Chapter 6. Dream of a Poor Brahmin. Learning objectives. 1. One should not build castle in the air. 2. Excessive daydreaming is often a way to escape from the situation. Warm up. Draw in the boxes below. My dream vacation. I want to go to my dream meal. I want to eat. Long time ago, there lived a poor Brahmin in a village. He was all alone in this world. He had no one of his own. He had no relatives or friends. He used to beg for his living. Whatever food he got as alms, he kept in an earthen pot and hung it beside his bed. Whenever he felt hungry, he took out some food from the pot and ate it. One day, the Brahmin laid on his bed and soon he fell asleep. He began to dream. He was no longer a poor Brahmin. He wore good clothes. He was the owner of a shop. Hundreds of customers came to his shop. Soon, he became richer than before. He purchased many buffaloes and cows. Very soon, the buffaloes and cows had their young ones. Those young ones grew and became buffaloes and cows. The buffaloes and cows gave milk. He made a lot of butter and curd from the milk. He sold butter and curd in the market. Soon, he became richer than ever before. He built a big house for himself. Then, he married a beautiful girl. Soon, they had their children. The children played around all day making noise. He then scolded them and asked them to keep quiet. But they didn't listen. So he picked up a stick and ran after them. The Brahmin began to move his legs rapidly while he was still asleep. In doing so, he hit the earthen pot with one of his legs, which was full of food. The pot broke and the food was spilled all over the floor. Suddenly, the Brahmin woke up from his deep sleep. He found himself in the bed. The food items he had kept in the pot were scattered on the ground. This happened due to his daydreaming. He realized that he should not have built castles in the air. Find meaning. Earthen, made of clay. Alms, money or food given to poor people. Owner, the one who owns. Spilled, flow over the edge of its container. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Think of a dream that will make the world a better place to live in. Cross-curricular connects. Learning by doing. Do you ever daydream? What will you do if you A. Have a school holiday tomorrow. B. You get a chance to visit Disneyland. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Look at the picture and write the action from the box. I am dancing. He is brushing. He is mending. They are jumping. She is teaching. Dog is barking. 1. What is the dog doing? Dog is barking. 2. What is the boy doing? He is brushing. 3. What are you doing, Pooja? I am dancing. What is the cobbler doing? He is mending. What is the teacher doing? She is teaching. 6. What are the monkeys doing? They are jumping. Logical decision making. Number the sentences according to the story. The children played all day. He married a beautiful girl. He hid the earthen pot. The Brahmin woke up from his deep sleep. He married a beautiful girl. The children played all day. He hid the earthen pot. The Brahmin woke up from his deep sleep. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. How many relatives did the poor Brahmin have? Answer. The poor Brahmin had no relatives. B. Where did the Brahmin keep his food? Answer. The Brahmin kept his food in the earthen pot. C. What did the Brahmin purchase as soon as he dreamt of becoming rich? Answer. The Brahmin bought cows and buffaloes in his dream. D. What happened when the Brahmin moved his legs rapidly while dreaming? Answer. He hit the earthen pot with his leg and the pot broke and the food was spilled all over the floor. Find their meanings. A. Lay. Put down gently or carefully. B. Asleep. In a state of sleep. C. Customers. One who comes to buy goods or services. D. Hungry. Wanting to eat. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. Long time ago, there lived a poor Brahmin. B. He kept in an earthen pot. C. One night, Brahmin lay on his bed. Take the correct option. A. The poor Brahmin used dash for his living. 1. Beg. 2. Worship. 3. Work. 1. Beg. B. The Brahmin dreamed that he had been the owner of a 1. Hotel. 2. Shop. 3. Company. 2. Shop. C. The Brahmin purchased many 1. Cows. 2. Buffaloes. 3. Both of these. 3. Both of these. Match the following. Column A. A. Build castles in the air. B. Scattered on the ground. C. Daydreaming. Column B. To separate and go in various directions. 2. Spend time thinking pleasant thoughts. 3. To create dreams, hopes, or plans that are impossible. Build castle in the air. To create dreams, hopes, or plans that are impossible. Scattered on the ground. To separate and go in various directions. Daydreaming. Spend time thinking pleasant thoughts. Conceptual understanding. Read any of the stories with similar themes. One should not build castles in the air and compare both the stories. Fill in the boxes below. Communication. Writing skills. Use the following words in sentences of your own. A. Alone. B. Owner. C. Quiet. D. Beautiful. Reading skills. Read the lines and complete the dialogues in the box below about you and your partner's dream. A. Hello, how are you? B. Hello, I am fine. And you? A. I'm fine too. B. What's your dream? A. I want to go to Africa because I love elephants. B. What's your dream? I want to climb Mount Fuji because I love mountaineering. Listening and speaking skills. A. Your teacher will read out some sentences. Listen to him carefully and write down the pronouns you hear in your notebook. B. Sit in a circle. Your teacher will call out a half sentence and try to complete it with your own words. For example, I like this group because the children are very jolly. Then take the turns to make a sentence using I like this group because. Let's learn spellings. Fill in the missing letters to get meaningful words. A. B. U. F. F. A. L. O. Buffalo. B. V. I. L. L. A. G. E. Village. C. B. U. T. T. E. R. Butter. D. S. C. A. T. T. E. R. E. D. Scattered. Let's learn grammar. Read the following sets of sentences. A. The crocodile caught the tail of the monkey. The crocodile caught the monkey's tail. B. The school of Aman was quite far. Aman's school was quite far.